On Windows 11, go ahead and click on the Start menu icon here. And then in the search bar, you will go ahead and type Control Space Panel. Select this one right here. Now underneath Programs, you would click Uninstall a Program. And this lists all the programs here that are installed on your Windows device. Now you can go ahead and select the program you wish to uninstall. For me, it's going to be CPU-Z. I don't use this anymore. And once it is selected, you would see here that the option for uninstall comes up. Let's go ahead and click on uninstall. You might receive a prompt for user account control. Go ahead and click yes. And this is just to confirm and to let you know if you are sure that you want to remove the program. If you're sure this is the correct one, go ahead and click yes. It will run through the uninstallation wizard, and it would give you a prompt like this letting you know that the software has been removed. Now, some software on your Windows device might ask you to restart your computer. If that is the case, just go ahead and make sure you save all your work and restart, and that is it. But that is not the case for this particular one, so we go ahead and click OK, and that is how you uninstall programs on your Windows 11 device.